Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to enable smart lock or face unlock. So let's start. Firstly, you need to go in settings and then drag it down to security. In the security, you need to tap the trust agents icon or button. Then enable it from here and then go back and automatically the smart unlock will appear. And from here on, you can just in the trusted face you can just enable your face unlock like it was in KitKat or Jelly Bean or ice cream sandwich, whichever Android you were using.